Hi guys, this is Tracy. Today I'm going to explain to you how you can ungroup and rearrange this week's free memorial SVG. First thing I want to point out before we get started, I have the latest version of Design Space, and I've noticed that I just brought in my SVG, and up here my design is not locked. Typically when you bring in an SVG or any design to your canvas, you want to make sure that it's locked so that when you go to move it, it'll stay proportioned. Now I see that it's not affecting it here, so I'm not sure if this is a glitch, but I just wanted to make sure that I pointed out to you guys that you want to lock this. Now let's see if we unlock it. Yeah, see, now it's all going to be wonky. So you want to make sure that this is locked. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do with this design, I'm going to ungroup it, and I want to take these little dots here and I want to move those to the back. Okay, and I'm actually going to ungroup them. With this design, I'm a big fan of the watercolor designs that we've been seeing recently. I love the fact that you can color outside the lines. I just think it's really pretty. And typically when you have a SVG, when you make a design that's going to be applied to a product using vinyl, you want to try and have your colors match up with your lines for an easier application so it's not bumpy. If you wanted to slice this out, you could. I chose to leave it this way, so it's 100% up to you. It's personal preference. But I wanted to point out to you that this design is not meant to be lined up. So you can make this actually without the colors in it if you want to, so you don't have to worry about it underneath color, but I'll show you that in a second. But first, what I want to show you, I am going to take all of my black and I am going to attach it, because I have left this a separate design, so if you wanted to change the color of your wording that you could. But I am going to take all the black, I'm going to click that first, hit my shift button, go back to this black, and I'm going to grab my black dots, I think it's that one there, and I want to attach that. And then I want to hide that just to get it out of the way just for right now so I can show you what I'm doing. And I want to take my green and the green dots and I want to attach those, and then I want to do the same thing with the yellow. Oh, that was the wrong one. Yep, I got the wrong one here. Let's go back. Undo that. And let's undo that. Okay. Now let's go back. Where's my green? Yellow. There's green. Okay, so this green and the stem. Attach that. This yellow. And that yellow. Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm going to bring this back so I can show you what I mean here. When you cut this, I'm going to make a duplicate so you can see. Oops, wrong one. This black here, if you cut this like this and you leave the color in it, you want this black to be on top. So you're going to want to cut your colors first and then lay your black on top of it. And let me see if I can show you. Because if you were to put the black on the bottom, you're not going to be able to see those lines. Okay, so for me, if I was going to cut this out, if you don't want to leave your yellow attached, you could definitely leave it so that it's unattached, so just the petals would cut, and then you could cut your dots individually if you wanted to. Because remember, when you go to cut this, if you're cutting it on one piece of vinyl, all this inside right here is going to be wasted vinyl when you go to weed it. Some people don't mind, some people don't like to waste all that vinyl. So again, totally personal preference. So let's move this back over here. Actually delete that. Not sure why I made another one, but just wanted to show you. So this black actually would be in the front. Okay, just like that. Now let's say you decide that you don't want to use colors at all. I would come through here and I would detach these. Now me personally, I would hide the green and that one, and I would come to this right here and I would make these black, only because I like the little extra elements in there. You don't have to do it this way. Again, completely up to you. But then you could take all this, you could attach it, and then when you go to make it, it's all going to be one piece that's going to cut together. I like the one solid piece projects, but again, you know, it's whatever look you're going for. And remember, if you're using HTV, you want to make sure that you mirror this. Okay, and if you wanted to add a name in here, you definitely could add a name. You know what, let's try the text feature. I haven't tried that yet with the new text feature. So let's see how this is. I want to come up here in my system fonts. This font that I used for the script is HOLINDYASEPHALIE. Click on that. And I'm going to type out Mom. This is kind of neat, this little thing here. I personally like the updates, but I think I like it because I'm used to working in Adobe Illustrator, so a lot of the features that they're adding to Design Space are more of design features. Don't forget, if you guys ever have any problems or any issues, feel free to reach out and ask, because I'm always willing to help. I can make you a quick video. If you guys need some help, just let me know. Okay? Alright guys, I hope you like this week's design. Don't forget to come show it off in the Facebook group. I love seeing what you guys make. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate you.